This might be one of those sitting Indian style boats. No, that's the 10-minute bell. We have plenty of time.
All right, Tran.
He's confident. He believes in his team. That's why. Now, what did you wear?
And then I saw you pointing at your phone.
Shorts and t-shirt.
Oh, okay. Did you wear your favorite hat?
All right.
Watch the back right corner. It's really low. Lean forward. Yeah, lean forward. That's right. Lifeguard, you better get in there. Swim along beside him. Yes, that back right corner is very low. Just watch out for it. Yeah. Take your time. Definitely has the 5 seconds, that's for sure. So let's see if we can make it to the end now. Yeah, that right back corner has only got about 3 inches of clearance, so watch out. He has to touch the far side to make it. Still got to touch it. All right, now he's got to try to make it back. Keep on swimming. I wish you guys could hear how some of the other teachers are unhappy that he's doing that well. They're just like so upset. He's got to go down. No. Somebody push it. Somebody's got to stick. Don't be bitter. Don't be bitter just because others are successful. I'm seeing some water in the bottom of the boat, but I think he's going to make it. He's got to keep that right side up. Starting to lean. He's got to touch that side with his hand, and then he's made it. There we go. That's it. Well done. Well done. All right. Builders and pilot. Great job.
That's crazy. It's all out. It smells so good. I know.